You are on the hunt for the rarest, most remote, and most elusive waterfalls in the world.
Here, at the very top of the planet, deep in the Arctic Circle, these magical ice waterfalls run straight off the glacier's surface into the ocean and will be a whole new kayaking experience.
Wow.
I hope it will come down eventually. It's
Pretty, but we're looking for lots of water. So I really think we might just have found the most beautiful waterfall I've ever seen. And now the main thing is just getting up there.
yeah.
I'm ready.
And you're dropping in 5, 4, 3, 2.
It's the most scary part of everything.
Yaw has readied out. I repeat, on yaw has readied out.
My pulse is going up.
This time, we're waiting.
Hey guys, all good down there?
Yeah, perfect drop for the guys on the top.
What are you going to say to that? You can't say anything about that. No, it's amazing.
Now all of you guys been so thankful for your help and feel it, he deserves. I don't know. He's a man, huh?
Philip's ladder.